Hello! Welcome back. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. I am Lovely. It is so good to have you here with me. Are you ever feeling heavy? Maybe you feel worried or a little sad. Today, I want to help you. We will talk about letting go. Letting go can make you feel light. It can make you feel peaceful. Sound good? Let's begin. So, what is letting go? It is very simple. Let's try a small game. First, make a fist with your hand. Squeeze it tight, very, very tight. Feel your hand. Is it hard? Is it tired? Okay, good. Now, slowly open your hand. Relax your fingers. Feel your hand now. It is soft. It is light. Letting go of feelings is like this. It is relaxing your heart. We all hold heavy feelings. Think about an old mistake. You think, "Oh no, I was wrong." You hold that feeling. Or think about an angry feeling. "I am so angry with my friend." You hold that feeling too. This is very heavy. It makes us tired. But we can learn to let go. We can find a quiet, happy feeling inside. This feeling is called peace. How can we let go? It is easy. I will show you. Step 1. Notice your feeling. Just notice. Be a good friend to yourself. Say, "Hello, sad feeling. I feel you." Or, "Hello, worry. I know you are here." It's okay. Just say hello. Step 2. Breathe. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. When you breathe out, imagine your heavy feeling is leaving, just a little bit. You are not fighting, you are just relaxing. You are opening your heart like you opened your hand. Remember, letting go is for you. It is a gift for you. You let go because you want to feel light. You want to feel happy. Think about a tree in autumn. The tree has many leaves. Then the leaves turn yellow and brown. Does the tree fight? No. The tree lets the leaves fall, and the tree feels peaceful. It is resting. We can be like the tree. We can let our old, heavy feelings fall away. So, let's remember, letting go is like opening your hand. First, notice the feeling. Say hello. Then, take a slow breath. Let the feeling go, just a little. Do this for you. Do this to find your peace. You can try this many times. It is like learning English. You practice. Sometimes it is easy, sometimes it is hard, but you can do it. Every time you try, you feel a little better. So, my friend, I hope you feel light and peaceful today. Thank you for listening. This is Lovely. Remember, be kind to yourself. I believe in you. See you next time.